So today I'm fixed my Wolo 464 Fire Chief. So this is the horns similar to what they have on the fire trucks in the States. This one is in the UK. We had a faulty solenoid, cheap Chinese rubbish. So we've just put a nice new solenoid on, and we've got it all set up ready to air up. So we've got onboard air in here. So there's a nice manifold there, the pressure regulator and stuff like that. I'm running, I think, that pressure regulator. This compressor, I think, is a 200 psi compressor because it's a Viair 444. But I've got the pressure regulator 90 to 100 psi. And then underneath we've got a little 5-gallon tank rated for 200 psi. So I'm underrunning the system, but we'll start the truck up, we'll air it up, and then we'll see what the horn sounds like. I'll be back in a minute. Do love that sound. Right. Make sure it's airing up. Pressure switch is cut out, that's good. So let's just test it. That cuts in, that's good. It's good having the onboard air. Just nip round and pump your tyres up, it's pretty cool. We'll wait for that to go off again. There we go. Let's go turn it off and see how it sounds. Right, just turn that compressor off. There we go. And we'll test it out. We'll get it set up so you guys can hear it. See how it sounds.